7 million visitors. But this hack saves hours. Picture this: the Eiffel Tower glowing against a Paris sunset, the city sprawling below like a dream. But what if I told you you could skip the endless lines and claim that view in minutes? Stick around for secrets that'll transform your visit. Welcome to All Attractions, where we uncover the magic of the world's wonders. Today, we're soaring to the top of the Eiffel Tower, Paris's eternal symbol, drawing over 7 million dreamers each year. From its stormy origins to hidden gems you'll wish you knew sooner, this guide packs history, hacks, and heart into your perfect adventure. Let's climb in. Step back to 1889. The Eiffel Tower rose from the banks of the Seine not as a romantic icon, but as a controversial giant for the World's Fair. Designed by Gustave Eiffel, this 324-meter marvel, taller than 81 stacked cars, was meant to showcase engineering prowess. But Parisians revolted. Artists and intellectuals petitioned to tear it down, calling it a useless monstrosity. Eiffel fought back, turning it into a radio antenna and even his private science lab. Fast forward. During World War II, a secret military bunker hid beneath the South Pillar, shielding French resistance plans. And, at the summit, Eiffel's hidden apartment, a cozy retreat with telescope views untouched to this day. Shocking, right? It sways up to 7 inches in the wind, yet stands strong, painted every 7 years in 60 tons of Eiffel Tower brown. This tower isn't just steel, it's a survivor's tale. Did you know the Eiffel Tower has a doppelganger across the globe? Meet Tokyo Tower, Japan's vibrant tribute to Paris's icon. At 333 meters, it's 9 meters taller than the Eiffel, painted in bold red and white to stand out against Tokyo's neon skyline. Built in 1958, it was inspired by Gustave Eiffel's design, but reimagined for Japan's post-war boom, blending tradition with futurism. While the Eiffel Tower whispers romance, Tokyo Tower pulses with energy. Think anime vibes and city buzz. Both have observation decks with jaw-dropping views. Paris offers the Seine's curves, while Tokyo serves Mount Fuji on clear days. Fun fact, in spring, Tokyo Tower's lights glow cherry blossom pink during special shows like the Spring Concerto, projecting sakura petals across the night sky. Yet both towers share a soul-steel giants that define their cities, drawing millions to their stories. Which would you visit first? Now, let's get practical. Your ticket to the top. Open daily from 9:30 a.m. to 11:45 p.m. Later in summer, but slots vanish fast. In peak season, summit access via lift? Smooth and scenic? It's the fastest way up. Prefer stairs to the second floor? Brace for 674 steps. A 30-minute workout even your gym trainer would approve, with Seine views unfolding below. Pro hack. Evenings are pure enchantment. The tower's 335 spotlights ignite at 10 p.m. Sparkling for 5 minutes hourly, weekdays feel less crowded. For low-season bliss, aim for October to March. Fewer lines, magical winter lights. Dress-in layers the summit's windy. And pack light, no big bags past security. Families, note. Kids under 12 need supervision, and upper levels challenge little legs or mobility aids. Here's my top saver. Grab skip-the-line tickets on Tiqets. They're a game changer for breezing past queues. I've turned 2-hour waits into seamless ascents. Links in the description for current offer. Once inside, the adventure unfolds across 3 levels. Start on the first floor. Step onto the glass floor for a heart-pounding gaze straight down to the Champ de Mars, perfect for that vertigo selfie. There's a free museum here too, chronicling the tower's wild ride with models and artifacts, a quiet gem for history buffs. Climb or lift to the second, panoramic terraces and the elegant Madame Brasserie. Then, the summit, 360-degree Paris magic, from Sacré-Cœur to the Arc de Triomphe. But hold your hat, winds whip up here. And allow 2-3 hours total. Secret alert. The hourly light show isn't just pretty. It's synced to French anthems on Bastille Day. And for the brave, stairs offer intimate glimpses of the iron lattice like sneaking through a giant skeleton. But the real magic? Capturing it forever. Paris is photogenic, but the Eiffel Tower? It's a camera magnet. Down below, Trocadero Gardens offer the classic postcard shot. Frame the tower with fountains at golden hour for that insta-gold. Or stroll Champ de Mars for picnic vibes, with the lattice in frame. Up top, the first floor glass floor delivers dizzying street-level drama. Snap your feet, floating over Paris. Summit? Unrivaled 360s. Zoom on Notre Dame or the Seine's curve. Evening rule. Time it for the 10 p.m. sparkle the projectors, turn it into a glittering beast. Elevate your shots with a combo. Seine cruise from Tiqets, floating views without the hassle. Their guided options start at $56, blending photos with stories. Link below to bundle and capture more than memories. Hunger strikes mid-ascent? The tower's got you covered, literally. On the Esplanade, grab casual crepes or ice cream for a budget bite with tower toes in view. Second floor, Madame Brasserie serves French classics like escargot amid terrace breezes. For indulgence, ascend to Jules Verne, a Michelin-starred haven, at $250 per head, with Chef Frédéric Anton's seasonal menus and wine pairings overlooking the Louvre. Summit sippers, toast with champagne at the bar, where a flute costs €20 and the view's priceless. Pro tip, book dining slots early. They're as scarce as summit spots. It's not just fuel, it's feasting on Paris itself. What keeps the tower timeless? The stories from real visitors. Jenna from the United States shared, "Alex was amazing, very knowledgeable, perfect birthday activity. What a view. I told him it was my birthday, and he went to the gift shop and bought me a gift. So sweet. Thank you, Alex." Annar from Iceland raved, "Great experience. I wouldn't have wanted to visit the tower without the guides taking care of the group and leading us around. Also informative and interesting, though you had to stand pretty close to hosts to hear them." And Gauderic from France noted, "Nice experience. And Sydney helped us a lot to get easily to the 12th floor. Nice explanations and tips provided. I highly recommend. It will save you an average of 130 or 3 HQ. With a glowing 4.3-star average from over 400 reviews, it's clear. Whether it's the personal touches, guided ease, or time-saving magic, the Eiffel Tower creates unforgettable moments. Yours could be next. Let's recap your essential tips in a quick list to make your visit flawless. Book skip-the-line tickets early to avoid queues. Visit in the evening for the hourly light shows starting at 10 p.m. Explore the free museum on the first floor for history insights. Head to the glass floor for thrilling photos. Time your trip for October to March to dodge peak crowds. Pack light and dress in layers for windy summit conditions. Ready to put these into action? Head to Tiqets for the best current prices and skip the line access and discover tickets to any world landmark from the Colosseum to the Statue of Liberty. Link in the description. Subscribe to all attractions for more travel hacks. And drop a comment. What's your dream Paris spot? See you in the next adventure.